I just want to just clear whether my voice is audible or not. I just want to see what the quality is. Just try out. Let me see. Okay, okay. So hi Zoshi. Hi bro. Uh, just to wait for a while, like Atharva, we are really soon just quality चांगली आहे का? Is quality is really good or not? Just let me inform. Uh, is my voice audible or not? Just I want to hear. It's like just let me once do it. Okay. So yeah. So thanks for just knowing me. So today's topic is just around to really brainstorming about the design and the UI session. So what I'm actually going to do is just really just 1 minute. Where is live chat session? Okay. So what we are really gonna just basically do is just I'm actually really plan to do a live stream just because I really wanted to share what I have really done in all the previous days and uh, what is the core concept and doing all these things. So it really took me a little while to figure all these live stream things, but finally I think we are doing really good. So let's get started. So what we are really going to do is just today I'm really planning to make to really implement things about how can we really make the face mash. What are the things that really goes behind into it, right? So as we are really going along the series, I have really right now finished the logo, and it's currently I'm really confused and some sort of it about how can I really make it much more better, and what are the really things going for it, and what is the thing. So I really thought that what is the better place to get inspiration from the current existing platform like Facebook, so Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, probably the shittiest platform. I think day by day it is going to really being better, but that is not what our topic is. Our topic is just about the things that we really want to include in it. So let's get started. So we really want to search about what exactly Facemash is. So let me type out the Facemash movie. Okay, just so as we really get here. Oh, so the basic idea is what is this? Okay, is this a GIF? Yeah, like let's see this one. Okay, so basic idea of Facemash was just like we have to just see this and rate this which one is much more harder. But in fact, but right now we are just in 2019, and this site is really going to soon we are going to really entering the 2020. So I think we should really have a modern version of Facemash. So what we really want to think is like, let's take for this example, there is a pic of one girl right here, and there is one the second right here, and just like the other social networking site, we do get the option of commenting each other, right? So what we can really do is just to select this area. You can see the cursor right here, and we can just really go on and make the implementation of uh, comment box right there. So first let's take a look at the Facebook about how it is just structured. Let's open first in the incognito because it really gives a sign up look. So as we kind of really just get into it, the Facebook is now much more cleaner. So essentially what we really need to do is the I think people really know what the Facebook is right now. So it doesn't really clutter its homepage much so that it can really uh, give people about more. Already we know what Facebook is. Facebook also know about its image into the particular people's mind. I really guess I guess you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah. So what I was trying to say, we really need to design a certain type of home screen so that people would really know what are essentially the Facemash is. So currently, right now, we have just an introductory uh, Facemash site about this one, like yeah. So you can just take a look at this one and go on to the GitHub site. But I actually have not uploaded any GitHub because we have not really started the front end coding, and also this one, right? So also we taking the introductory site of, let's say, tik tiktok.com. So yeah, is just the world's shittiest platform ever. I mean, I'm just joking. It is subjective matter, right? So TikTok is really an app-based company. It doesn't really offer much anything regarding any web services. Just like Facebook is on even web platform and mobile platform, but it even doesn't have. But they really kind of have given the basic uh, information about what they are and what they essentially do. So this is what they have really showcased. So giving in that inspiration, we also really need to do something like it, right? Although we don't want to make TikTok, I mean, I just don't want to bash it anyone if anyone is really understanding. So let's see about, right? Our mission is the leading destination of short film and mobile creativity. Our mission is to inspire creativity and bring joy. Yeah, this is a really cool uh, front end page. So let's see about trending. Oh no, we don't want to see this. Okay, let's close this one right now. Okay, let's try to look about mm, Snapchat. Snapchat.com. Okay, okay, it's really cool, beautiful, and simple. So this is really cool. Like I just like it. Use of emojis, bunch of plain cool things, and all the stuff. So it has adverts. No, we don't want this video. Yeah, just a plain, simple. We want to just check the responsive right now. Control Shift I. Okay, this is the mobile version. Hmm. Okay, just try to reload this one right now. Okay, advertising login. So the first point of I'm trying to emphasize is, let's try to note it down. Points to be covered. We should have really attractive, attractive and informative homepage. So what we really need to do is just we really need to inform about what essentially the college face mash is about, right? We just don't want to really compare with other. We really want to give them a brief information, give them a brief, just like the whole essence of what we really want to do. So essentially, right now, just take a look again with the Apple. Whoa, I really like this one, apple.com. They really make a cool website, make someone's holiday better. Don't we don't want to It's like iPhone is expensive, by the way. Okay, so this is really cool also always. So now we just want to let's try to take the inspiration from Facebook, right? So by the way, you can always follow me on my social media platform. You can always really also connect me, and if you have queries, suggestion, and improvement, please just let me know. Your feedbacks is really crucial for me. So by saying that, just like, so take for example this post of cis theta, right? And just neglect everything other words, everything. Just like a minute, just 1 minute right here. Okay, so this is much more clean right now. Okay, so this is really one post. So what Facebook has really done is like it has a like button, comment, share. So can we really do something like this? Or let's say that we have really implemented this photo about this background in same replicate other, we really want to compare it, and imagine the second picture is different. So what can we really make it much more much more simpler thing? uh, I think just like Instagram right now. Let me look, where is that? Okay, hey, what is going on? Let's load fast. Okay, so as like really like what we can really double tap and just give a heart. So instead of really liking this one, we can give a fire emoji of stating that, hey girl, hey boy or girl, you are really hot, in some sort of way like that. Okay, yeah. So the second point of what we really need to do is create a home page about, yeah. So number one, this was number one. Second one, what is it? Creating an interactive user experience. Creating an interactive experience, user experience. Number one, uh, implementing fire emoji for hotness, or probably for likability capability of person, just like Instagram. Where is it? Okay, okay, yeah, sure. So yeah, but one thing was like we actually really jumped too much far ahead. So when we do really create about the, so one thing really like we really want to create a profile of individual person. We do really want to create a profile of even the college itself, because uh, like this what I'm really trying to say is that uh, consider there is one college and there are thousands of students out there, and and that thousands of students are really bound within that college. So if I'm the college A and second one is other in the college B, then my profile cannot be viewed in that other college one. So I just really want suggestion that do you really want to inter college face mash, something like that, or essentially it's like if I'm in the A college, I would really rate all the girls and all the boys in just A college. I don't want to invest much time in just rating other ones. Oh, so just let me know what your thoughts are. So I'm really thinking of just doing in a container fashion wise, where one container is one college, and if you are really bound in that container, so you are really just comparing with this one, and just and you can't really go with the other one. So and to implement inter college when there is another structure out there, so there's a different one right there. So yeah, so it is a fairly complex project right there. And just like so, this is my profile. If you really click on to suppose here, if you see here one post and here is one post, and you really want to just compare out the you really want to know about more about the person, then you can just go and click to this here, and you can just click and go to the profile of the right here. So there is one friend request feature, I don't really know. And yeah, so there is like, okay, so we also really want to create a chat feature. Why is it taking time to load? So like, sure, like, okay, so this is the post right here. I really actually want trying to, okay, second thing is like, third one is uh, creating chat chat box. uh, Fourth is unique comment comment feature. Comment feature. And okay, and just one, right? The fifth one is the my favorite and most uh, paid services and payment integration. So what if like, so we have really created about the chat box. Let's really discuss about what I really want to say about the chat box. Suppose if you really like any boy or girl, or if you really want to just trying to check the hotness, and you really this and you really just click them and go to their profile and really know more, then you will also really get a chat box feature. In that, you can really send anonymous message to other. But I'm really planning to just kind of really just do that. If the other party really wants to know who is this anonymous person is, then we can really implement a payment gateway in between that. So if that girl really wants to know who has messaged her, so we can just go on and check, so that the other party really needs to put down the money a little bit, and so that we can really earn a little bit revenue model. So I guess it really makes some sense right now, like, and the cost will be really like $1 per 10 requests, or 50 to 70 something kind of it. So yeah, so anonymous or virtual person contain. So another feature is like, suppose if we really type in WhatsApp especially, so if we just go on and type out, the other person can really see that we are really typing something or not, but we don't know what he's typing actually. So what we can really do is to just implement a JavaScript event listener. And and by implementing Ajax request, we can really actually just and setting the socket.io bidirectional pipeline. I really hope it makes sense to you if you have gone through all the step. So we can really just uh, pick everything what the current user is typing out, and we can really show them live preview to it. But by default it will be off. You can just make it on anytime if you really want. And the most important thing is really about the verification badges. Now, what do I really mean by verification badges? So take for example, if I type Ratan Tata, right? Okay. So as you can really see, the Ratan Tata has the verification badge on his Instagram profile, similar to other. So what you can really do, you can really also get the verification badges in your profile, on your profile, that then you can really claim that you are authentic person. The verification will have just two levels. Two level in the sense, the first level is of silver level, like silver verification badge. The silver verification badge just contain, you can really just show on your college ID, submit to that website, and here we will just verify it whether you are authentic or not. And there is one also golden verification badge that you would really need to submit your college ID plus your real document or anything ID, and just submit to us. And prior to that, after really looking into the matter, we will just delete it. But this would not be definitely free, as I think for this process, $2 or $3 will be more than sufficient. Or starting the silver badge, I think really $1.5, and the golden verification badge will be around uh, $2, that is 140 rupees, 142 according to INR. And yeah, so this was the really fundamental thing. Like, oh, and sixth one is anonymous chatting, comma, verification, verification, not verification BA badges, and other services like, okay, create an interactive checking chat box, comparative, oh, yeah, verification badges, and etc. So what do I really mean by etc is just to really, if anything appears in my mind for future, I can just go on and will try to implement in it. Sure. So today's session is just about kind of theoretical about what really it is and what really is not, or what I really want to do. So and next time I think we can really surely come up with a wireframe tutorial, if that is really crucial, and that is what really is crucial to us. And especially like what I really want to say is that, just wait a minute. Okay, yeah, we just didn't really created a seventh one, that is mean compare and implementing elo rating algorithm. So what the algorithm elo rating algorithm essentially is, so if you have really watched the movie of college, social network, sorry, college placement was in my mouth. If you have really watched the movie of social network, then the Eduardo really just kind of gives the algorithm to Mark Zuckerberg of face for the Facemash, and that algorithm especially is just like elo rating. So if you really want to just go on, you can just type out a Facemash algorithm, and you will get one video stating that thing. So this is the video. You can really go on, try to just look up to it, right? So today was the really theoretical lesson, by the way. I just wanted to discuss about what is my vision, what is my actual plan with it, and what can I really do with it, right? So if you are really watching right now, and if you have really watched after the live stream, so just really let me know what can I really do better in this presentation. It was just a really rough. I know it can't. It, it it is not much satisfactory, by the way. Uh, at least I guess. But yeah, next time we will surely come up with a practical about wireframing tutorials, especially in XD or just a paper pen, what we will do. And this was it, really. And so yeah, the next time we'll be come up with a wireframe and paper tutorial, and the next time we will just really what we have right now gone through the theoretical concept, we will just try to implement down in a real thing, in a real paper manner, so that we can really just proceed ahead and really start to really code the front end of our application. So this was it, guys. So see you the next time and next place. Stay connected and have a good day.